UniFi Security Gateway offers advanced firewall policies to protect your network and its data. A site-to-site VPN secures and encrypts private data, communications, traveling over the internet. So here is the UniFi Security Gateway Pro. So without any further delay, let's unbox. So first we have a quick start guide. So here is our UniFi Security Gateway Pro. All with premium look, all metal. So let's show you about its features. Here we have two SFP uplinks, as you all can see. Then we have two WAN ports, two LAN ports, one USB port and one console port. And here we have a reset button. Here we have two ventilation fans and power cable port. All with unique design. Then we have one power cable and M6 cage nuts scoops.